Somewhere there's a cat who keeps scratching the seat of my bike when it comes to take a nap at night. So I thought enough is enough. I need to get some help. I was told by the seat maker that there's a cat proof cover available. But then I thought to myself that since I'm getting the seat cover, I should also upgrade the seat in order to make it a bit more soft. Because the seat that I have been riding on is 15 years old. Previously, I have only changed the seat covers, never has the foam of the seat been upgraded. So this time I thought I will remove the seat covers, the previous ones, I think there are two, and I would install a new high density foam in the seat because I'm going to keep this bike for a very long time, at least I'm hoping to. So might as well upgrade the seat in order to make the rides a comfortable experience from here on. Now from here on, watch the entire video because you'll get to see the entire process, how skillfully this talented craftsman carves the seat into existence, makes something very beautiful and also which feels very comfortable. I will let you know the details such as the price and the location of the shop during the course of the video. I wish to reiterate here that this is not a sponsored video. I am doing this out of my own money. This is just my experience regarding how my seat is getting upgraded after 15 long years. Other than that, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Threads because I share short form content over there in case you don't have enough time to watch long form content.
नीचे का निकलना नहीं, इसको पूरा गद्दी मांगता है, 4 आदमी है।
अबे रेडीमेड वाले खाली रख दो ऊपर खाली रख दो। पिटाएगा डाल दूंगा वो नहीं चाहिए भैया बता चल आइडिया से घर पे जा तेरा कुछ काम नहीं देख लो
So guys, finally our seat is ready and I'm very happy with it. The softness, the comfort is on point. I wanted the seat exactly like this. It's giving me that new bike feeling. The price of making the seat is 900 rupees along with the cover. Now the prices may fluctuate, that is they may be different for different bikes. So this place is located at Grant Road. It's very close by to the Grant Road railway station, and in case of the landmark, then it is bank opposite the Grant Road branch of UCO Bank. Thank you for watching. This is Swappy Bond. I'll see you in another video. So thanks again. Bye bye for now.